Ladies and gentlemen, good day and welcome to AVG Logistics Limited Q1 FY25 earnings conference call hosted by Kirin Advisors. As a reminder, all participants' lines will be in the listen-only mode and there will be an opportunity for you to ask questions after the presentation concludes. Should you need assistance during this conference call, please signal an operator by pressing star, then 0 on your touchtone phone. Please note that this conference is being recorded. I now hand the conference over to Mr. Janam Savla from Kirin Advisors. Thank you and over to you, sir.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Kirin Advisors, I welcome you all to the conference call of AVG Logistics Limited. From management team, we have Mr. Sanjay Gupta, Managing Director and CEO, Mr. Himanshu Sharma, CFO, Mr. Vinay Gupta, Vice President, Strategy Head. Please note that this conference call does not constitute any forward-looking statement or forecast related to revenue, EBITDA or PAT. Now I hand over call to Mr. Sanjay Gupta, Managing Director and CFO. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. Good afternoon, dear investors. A very warm welcome to Q1 for year March 25 conference call of AVG Logistics. I am also delighted to introduce Mr. Vinay Gupta, VP Strategy, to this earnings call. We'll start with our recent development and financial performance. Thank you all stakeholders for being part of AVG. We are sustainable, reliable, integrated logistics for India's top businesses. Our vision is to part of India's success story by being the most reliable and sustainable logistics partners to India's top business. We are trusted and leading multimodal logistics solution provider in India. The journey of AVG Logistics is marked by rapid growth, fueled by a dedicated team of logistics experts and cutting-edge fleet of driver, customized, technology-driven, full-stack solution across transportation, warehousing, distribution and supply chain management and 3PL service. AVG Logistics aims to deliver excellence with every mile through a continuous focus on customer centricity and a dedication to staying at the forefront of industry technology. We are proud to announce several strategic initiatives that demonstrate our commitment to innovation, safety, and sustainability. We have recently secured and initiated a contract from renowned top appliances manufacturer to implement rail transportation, replacing traditional road movement to ensure the safe, reliable, and efficient transport of household appliances over the next 3 years. The initiative supports our goal of enhancing multimodal connectivity. We have been honored by the logistic prestigious Committed to Safety and Reliance Award from Nestle India in June 24, reflecting our dedication to excellence. In further support of our growth strategy, Odisha government has allotted us a 4-acre land parcel in Khurda, Bhubaneswar, which is rapidly emerging as major industrial hub, hosting various industry giants. This strategy location will be enhance AVG capacity to deliver efficient and comprehensive logistics solution to our existing and potential clients in Odisha, which is the upcoming business center for the East, Northeast and East India. We are strategically shifting our focus into green transportation through rail transportation, LNG vehicles and electric vehicles, and to capitalize on this success, we are planning to expand our rail network and additional trains and plans to invest in LNG and electric trucks to support environment and reduce carbon emission. These initiatives collectively position AVG Logistics Limited for a sustained growth and leadership in the logistics sector. The adoption of electric vehicle and LNG fleet align with our sustainability objective and reinforce of AVG commitment, the responsible business practices and support our customer to fulfill their sustainability goals. With a focus on innovation and environmental awareness, the company aims to establish a new standard for eco-friendly logistics, leading the path towards a cleaner and more sustainable industry while progressing towards the goal of reducing carbon emission. We are honored to have selected by the UP State Road Transport Corporation, as their authorized agent for courier parcel service through 9,000 buses within the UP. The partnership with UPRCTC mark a significant milestone for a company as it continues to grow and diversify the service offering. As authorized agent, we will play a crucial role in optimizing the efficiency and reach out of UP RCTC parcel service, contributing to the overall enhancement of the logistic infrastructure in large state of Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is one of the largest and most populous state present in a unique set of logistic challenge. AVG aims to address this with the efficient delivery network through partnering with UP SRTC and customer-centric approach. The launch of AVG service in this region will streamline the process of express parcel delivery and also contribute to the state of economic growth by enabling smoother and faster movement of goods. We are actively working with the potential customer to pursue long-term contract of 4 to 5 years, successfully start the business with new client, achieve our target revenue of for year March 25. Our commitment to customer centricity, operational efficiency, and profitability remains strong as we explore further opportunities. Our commitment to honesty, responsibility, customer dedication set up apart in the competitive landscape. We remain dedicated to innovation, strategic partnership, and unwavering focus on customer satisfaction. Thank you for your continued support and partnership with the remains vital of our success. Thank you for being an important part of the company's journey. We are also delighted to share a robust financial performance achieved in the reported quarter. For a detailed overview of our financial performance, I invite Mr. Himanshu Sharma, our CFO, to take the lead. Thank you. Hand over to Mr. Himanshu Sharma.
Thank you so much, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. We are pleased to share our consolidated key financial highlights for Q1 financial year 25. In the first quarter of the financial year 25, the company demonstrated robust financial performance on both consolidated and standalone basis. On a consolidated level, the company achieved a total income of 123.68 crore, reflecting a year-on-year growth of 22.75%. The EBITDA stood at 23.62 crore, representing a year-on-year increase of 24.45%, with an EBITDA margin of 19.10%, which is up by 26 basis points. PAT amounted to 5.21 crore, a substantial year-on-year growth of 105.90%, resulting a PAT margin of 4.21%, an improvement of 170 basis points year-on-year. The EPS reached to 3.81, marking a year-on-year growth of 77.21%. This EPS is not annualized. On a standalone basis, the company recorded a total income of 123.39 crore, a year-on-year growth of 22.46%. The EBITDA is 23.55 crore with a year-on-year increase of 24.05% and EBITDA margin of 19.09%, which is up by 24 basis points. The PAT for the period is 5.17 crore, representing a year-on-year growth of 148.24% and a PAT margin of 4.19%, which is up by 212 basis points. The EPS stood at 3.78, reflecting a year-on-year growth of 113.56%. The company debt is standing at 90.11 crore against 88.88 crore as at 31st March 2024. Thank you so much, investors, for your continued support and trust in AVG Logistics. We appreciate commitment to our journey. Your confidence inspires us to reach new heights in the logistics industry. We value your partnership in our growth. Now we are open for any questions you may have. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We will now begin the question and answer session. Anyone who wishes to ask a question may press star and one on their touchtone telephone. If you wish to remove yourself from the question queue, you may press star and two. Participants are requested to use handset while asking a question. Ladies and gentlemen, we will wait for a moment while the question queue assembles. The first question is from the line of Sanjan Gupta from SC Securities Private Limited. Please go ahead.
Yes, good afternoon, Sanjay and Vinayak and everyone on the team. This is Sajal Gupta speaking. So,
good afternoon, sir.
Congratulations for the good set of numbers. So my question to you is that you have recently backed this order which you were talking of, UP State Roadways, this thing. So could you explain me the economics of this order which you have received? And what kind of top line can
I will ask Vinayak to explain you about that, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, hi. Very good afternoon, everybody. And thank you, sir, for the question. I'll just enlighten on our new phase, the UK RTC contract. So this is UP being one of the largest states in India. We have recently faced a long-term contract for parcel goods services across their extensive network of 9,000 to 10,000 buses. So we will be working as an official booking partner for these buses for next 5 years, and the contract value is estimated around 60 crores in next 5 years, which is around 12 crores annually. And we would be working with all the on the franchisee models, where we will be handing over the goods on our booking platform via our franchisee partners, and we will be accumulating the annual weight of around close to 50 lakh kgs in the buses, and we will be offering both retail parcel services and e-commerce services to all the SMEs and the businesses in the UP state.
So what kind of a EBITDA can we expect in this kind of a business? Because
actually, So more or less the turnover is coming around 1 crore per month with this business, and this is a parcel express business where we are getting the good rate from the customer. If a customer want to move some urgent material from Delhi to Lucknow or Delhi to Banaras or Ayodhya or Gorakhpur, we will get 1,000 rupees for a packet of 1 kg. That is around 100 rupees per kg. That is a express service rate. And in this scenario, out of the 1 crore business, around 40 lakh, 50 lakh rupees we need to pay per month to the UP State Bus Services, and around 25% of the expenses for the franchisee model, because we don't want to increase our cost, and because if we take all the employee our role, then it will be very difficult to manage. So it is working earlier also with a previous contractor with a franchisee model only. So total EBITDA margin will be around 30% in this business.
Okay, and so as you said right now that this is a 60 crore order for 5 years. So that is what we're talking is of 1 crore rupees revenue per month in this business.
1 crore per month is the initial, sir, and we are giving the conservative figure here, and gradually the number of buses will increase in the state transport. So our business will also increase, and some annual increment will also come. So instead of 60 crore total, it may go up to 65 to 70 crore also. But we are giving here a conservative figure.
Okay, wonderful. Another thing, what I wanted to ask you, just two more questions. One question is that you had given a guidance of 700 crore rupees earlier. So do we still see that numbers being achieved by you?
It will be achieved, sir. Actually, we are growing the numbers you have seen. We have grown by 23 to 25% in the first quarter, and which is the lean period. And we have been known in the market as a FMCG logistics service provider, but now we are entering into the steel and cement business also. Recently, we have signed the agreement with Dalmia Cement on a long-term basis of 5-year contract with electric and LNG vehicles. And similarly, we are giving the services to the steel industry like Tata Steel, Sam Steel, etc. These companies are having a lot of volume, and one good part of these companies are that payment terms are better than the FMCG industries. Although the margin is less, but if we calculate the turnover, then it will come same or which better also. So we are 100% sure by March 25 we may able to achieve the target of 700, which we have already committed in the market.
So when you say that
major business will come from the incremental business, the 15-20% growth will come from the organic growth, and balance growth we will addition by the new business of steel, cement industry and electric and LNG vehicles.
Okay. And coming back to the same thing, you had talked about LNG vehicles, where the margins are much higher.
Yeah.
How much of that has got incorporated into the business right now, and when are we seeing
total business from the customer order book, we have received the intent of around 60 vehicles from Dalmia Cement and Tata Steel and Ultratech Cement. So we have already procured around 6-7 vehicles, and by 30th of September, all the 60 vehicles will come on road, and it will give the good revenue and margin also in the coming time.
Well, and last thing, Sanjay, tell me something about what is the succession plan in the company right now?
Yeah, Vinayak is my son. He has completed his education from Delhi and later on from London, and he had joined the business in 2016 and started his career with the workshop we had in Kundli in Haryana, and now he is supporting us in head office as a VP strategy, and he is working towards because business is growing, so we need a technology part. So he's looking after technology, business development and operation part, and we are working on the reduction on the cost also. So these are the 2-3 areas where he is working, and down the line there is some professionals which are director sales and GM sales and director operation, GM operation, and we have total workforce is around 480-485 as of now, and as and when the business will grow, the number of staff will not grow in the same portion. Like if we have 500 crore turnover last year and we are employee of 480, so 700 crore में proportionately 700 नहीं होगा. So we will try to manage it by 525 or 550 employees in the company.
Yeah, wonderful. Okay, this is all from my side, and wish you all the good luck for the future and for your new projects. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Subhash from Value Investments. Please go ahead.
Hi, sir. Q1 was great. I just had one successful question based on the point that you made on the deals that you have made with Dalmia Cement for the next 5 years. So you said that the cement industry is better than FMCG industry. So I would like to understand how that is better. And also, you said even though margin is a little bit lower side, that is still a good industry to serve for. So you had guided 700 crore sale and also a PAT margin of 5% for this year. So considering the cement industry revenue that you're going to get, would you still have overall consolidated margin of 5% for the year, PAT margin?
Yeah, that is there because in FMCG industry, we are getting the payment within 75 to 90 days. So whereas the cement companies which are having the lot of transportation business, so what is happening in India, sir, these FMCG companies are having the cost of 3 to 4% of their turnover. whereas cement industries is having the logistics cost of around 20 to 25% of their total turnover. Like Dalmia Cement is having the turnover, for example, 20,000 crore, so they are spending 5,000 crore, and margin in FMCG companies we are getting around 12% and getting the payment within 90 days or about 90 days. Whereas we are getting from the steel and cement industry, margin is around 4 to 5%, but payment term is 2 weeks. So my fund rotation will be better, and overall it will help us to improve the profitability and as turnover as well.
Okay, so the margins that you mentioned were PAT margins or the EBITDA margins?
These are EBITDA margin. Gross margin actually.
So you had guided for 5% PAT margin, right? Would you still guide the same number?
So for example, if I am able to rotate my money faster, so it will have to increase the turnover and profit both.
Yeah, if the turnover increases again, I mean the PAT also has to increase, right? To be you to be at 45%.
Both will increase, no sir. For example, if we are earning 12% in 3 months, and in this transaction we will earn 16% in 3 months.
Okay. Okay, good to know that you still have the guidance of 4 to 5%.
This is the model where we are working on a dedicated model, specialized vehicle, both way loaded or one way loaded, one way empty, and this is the long-term contract of 5 years.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Satya from Family Office. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Congratulations on a good set of numbers. Am I audible?
Yeah. Good afternoon, sir.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर. सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था, जो अपना टोटल इस क्वार्टर का रेवेन्यू है 120-122 करोड़, उसका आप स्प्लिट बता पाएंगे अलग अलग वर्टिकल्स में, जैसे रीफर, रेलवे, ट्रक, लॉजिस्टिक्स, एलएनजी, वो सब में अगर स्प्लिट बता पाएंगे?
या इसमें ना मतलब हम लोग अभी इसमें यू वांट प्रोडक्ट वाइज और यू वांट लाइक एफएमसीजी इज अराउंड 62%.
और रेलवे वर्सेस ट्रक और रीफर वो हिसाब से बता पाएंगे सर?
हाँ, रेलवे है अराउंड 15% है.
हाँ.
और कोल्ड चेन इज अराउंड 25%.
गॉट इट.
एंड 60% के आसपास ये रोड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन है.
समझ गया. और सर ये जो छोटे अपन नए पैकर्स एंड मूवर्स और क्यूएसआर ऐसे नए वर्टिकल्स में जो बढ़ रहे थे, वो सब में कैसा प्रोग्रेस है और कहाँ पे पहुंचे?
अभी अपने अक्टूबर में चालू किए थे, मतलब मोटा 6-7 महीना हुआ है, 8 महीना. तो हम लोग अभी उसमें बिजनेस 2-3-4 करोड़ का ही कर पाए, लेकिन अभी हम उसमें एट पार में आ गए हैं. इनिशियली जैसे सितंबर अक्टूबर में जब काम करते हैं स्टार्ट तो थोड़ा लॉस था, बट उसमें एट पार में आ गए हैं. एंड नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग टू द कस्टमर्स वेयर वी आर गेटिंग द बिजनेस फ्रॉम B2B एंड B2C ऑल्सो. तो ये क्या होता है सर, जैसे मान लीजिए आज अग्रवाल पैकर मूवर काफी पुराना बैठा हुआ है इस इंडस्ट्री में, तो हम धीरे धीरे अपना नाम बढ़ा रहे हैं एंड कस्टमर के सामने नाम आ रहा है. तो ये माउथ एडवर्टाइजमेंट से होता है ये काम. सो वी आर डूइंग द एडवर्टाइजमेंट बिजनेस एंड लॉट ऑफ इंक्वायरीज आर कमिंग अप, सो ग्रेजुअली इट विल इंक्रीज.
गॉट इट. सर एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन द रेलवे साइड. हम पिछले क्वार्टर में कह रहे थे कि एवरी क्वार्टर और सो वील ऐड 1 रूट और अगले 2 साल तक, तो उसमें क्या प्रोग्रेस है? अभी भी अपना 8 रूट्स पे हैं या हम बढ़े हैं, क्या कुछ पाइपलाइन?
अभी 8 रूट में है. तो इसमें क्या रहता है सर, ये टेंडर प्रोसेस होता है. सो लॉट ऑफ फॉर्मेलिटीज आर रिक्वायर्ड एंड वी नीड टू टेक द एनओसी फ्रॉम डिफरेंट रेलवेज. इफ वन ट्रेन इज गोइंग फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू चेन्नई, रास्ते में 6-7 डिवीजन आते हैं रेलवे के, उन सबसे एनओसी लेना पड़ता है. तो एनओसी सिस्टम इज प्रोसेस. सो वी आर टारगेटिंग 2 न्यू रूट्स बाय अनदर 2 to 3 months बाय सितंबर और अक्टूबर.
गॉट इट सर. गॉट इट. दैट्स इट सर फ्रॉम माय साइड. थैंक यू.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Anika Shah from ETC Consultancy. Please go ahead.
Yes, hello, Anika here.
Yeah. Yeah.
With the intense competition going on, what are your strategies to maintain or increase the market share?
Pardon, can you again tell me, please? I'm not able to hear you properly.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, please.
Okay. So my question was, with the intense competition going on, what are the strategies to maintain or increase our market share?
Yeah, we have a strategy like that. We should work towards the safety and sustainability. So we should be different from the market and competition, so that and we are working for railways and higher capacity vehicles and parcel business including. So all these 2-3 strategies are there where we can compete and give the service to the customer on a reasonable rate. So in our industry, 2 things are there. One is the pricing, another is the service. So both things we are managing very well. Hence, we are able to grow organically in our business.
Okay. And my next question is about the business outlook for FY25.
Yeah. So we have closed quarter 1 is around 124 crore type, and first quarter is always very lean. Now the season is there, like lot of festivals are coming up, so business has increased, and second quarter will also give the good top line. And we have given the total target of 700 crore this year by March 25, and we are working seriously on that subject, and we hope we'll be able to achieve the target of 700 crore top line.
Okay, sir, understood. If I have any more questions, I'll get into the queue again. Thank you for answering these.
Yeah.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Shubhankar Oja from SKS Capital and Research Private Limited. Please go ahead.
Hi, sir. Congratulations for a good set of numbers. So I missed the initial 15 minutes of the call, maybe some repetitive questions. So can you explain the deal that you have won with Dalmia again? I'm sorry, I have to, if that is a repeat.
No, that is actually, we are providing them the logistic service on the sustainable and environment-friendly vehicles, which is called LNG and electric vehicles. And we are already signing the contract and started the business in the northeast Guwahati area.
Okay, and any value you can quantify?
Value, as of now, the target is to, because they are having a lot of spend around, they are spending around 4,000 to 5,000 crores in a year for the logistic business. So our target is to get the business of around more than 100 crores from this company.
Okay, great. And
because they are having a lot of business, so this amount is not high for them, because 4,000 crores expenses, and they are having around 10-15 plants in India.
So yours will be only limited to Northeast?
No. We are present in India. We are present in India. We have received the contract from the Belgaum plant also, Karnataka.
Okay, great. And so secondly, with respect to the 25 guidance of 700 crore, would you be able to give a breakup of what will be the cold chain? Because I think last time we talked about a significant higher percentage of revenue coming from cold chain.
Yeah.
Is there, and if 25 or 30% of this revenue comes from cold chain, how will your margin trajectory be like for the financial year?
Yeah, the margin in cold chain business are higher compared to the dry business. So that's why we are focusing on cold chain. Cold chain, I think last year we did around 75 to 80 crores, but this year we are targeting to 125 to 150 crores. So a lot of business like ready to eat foods and fruit and vegetables and the milk product, dahi, paneer, and butter also we are doing. And nowadays this ready-to-eat food, hyphen foods and McCain, we are talking, and we already did one trial with hyphen foods, which is a factory in Ahmedabad. And we are doing Zydus butter also, and ice cream we are talking for Amul, Mother Dairy, and Quality Walls of Hindustan Lever. So there are a lot of products which is moving by the cold chain. We are entering into that contracts, and they are also, because there is less competition in the cold chain compared to the dry market.
And in quarter one, have you won any new order from QSR players?
No, we have increased our volume with the Domino Pizza, but the new client of QSR is under discussion now. So one is Devyani and McDonald's we are talking, and which are expecting in next 2 to 3 months.
Great, congratulations and best of luck, sir.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Kajal Pathak from VY Capital. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yes, sir. So thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity.
Yeah,
I just wanted to know, what is your growth prospects and what are the strategies to expand the business and market share?
So, as you have earlier mentioned also, that the strategy is to provide the best services on a reasonable price, and we should be working towards the sustainability. Sustainability is the area where the environment-friendly vehicles are now coming up with the LNG and electric vehicles. They are having the capacity of 2 ton to 40 tons, and very, very big customers are having their agenda to introduce those vehicles, and hence we are planning to introduce around more than 100 vehicles in this year by March 25 for electric and LNG vehicles. This is the strategy to increase our business. Hello?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Suresh Pal from an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Sir, my question is sir, we have given target of 700 crore of revenue for this financial year of 2025. So my question is, what are the things we are doing to achieve that target?
Sir, we are as of now doing a lot of business in FMCG, but because we need to increase the two growth. One is the organic growth, one is inorganic growth. So these are coming up, 15-20% growth is coming by the present business. So another 20% business growth we are taking by, we are looking for some requirement merger acquisition also, and some business we are doing in the steel and cement industry, which are a new industry for us, but lot of business scope is there, long haul movement and short haul movement. So we are very much sure that by introducing these two industries, cement and steel, we may able to achieve our top line target.
And by what time can we see the revenue from this new segment of steel and cement sector flowing into our income?
Actually, the 3-4 customers are like Bhushan Steel, Tata Steel, and Jindal India, JSW. There are few renowned name in the steel industry, and cement mein Ultratech, Dalmia Cement, JK Cement, and Bharti Cement. These are the major name in the cement. So all these companies are having the expenditure of around 50,000 crore or 1 lakh crore in logistic business. So out of that, our target is to touch 200 crore, 300 crore from this cement and steel in next 1 to 2 years. And simultaneously, our FMCG and another line of business is pharma, which is also a good business overall. So our strategy and target that we work in industry-wise, like cement, steel, tiles, and construction material. These are a lot of infra movement is going on. So our strategy is to go that and increase the business accordingly.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. That's all from me.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Rahul from Priya Angel Advisors. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah.
So my first question is, who are our key clients and how much do they contribute to the revenues?
Pardon, sir?
Who are our key clients and how much do they contribute to revenues?
Yeah, major client is in FMCG like Hindustan Lever, Nestle India, ITC. FMCG mein there are 4 or 5 companies are there which for we are working, and lot of other QSR customers and parcel movement, express business. So we have warehousing business also. Mother dairy. These are all the customers we are working for. Sir.
Okay. So my next question is, can you throw some light on our multi-model business?
Which model?
Multi-model businesses.
Multi-models में क्या होता है sir? Nowadays there is a challenge to the industry. There may be a shortage of drivers. So now we have shifted our business in trains. This is called multi-modal. So we are providing the door-to-door service to the customer. We are bringing the material from customer point to Nestle, our railhead, and railhead to the destination like Delhi to Bangalore. And from Bangalore, we are delivering the material to the customer depot. So we are providing service, end-to-end service, and this is called multimodal logistics.
Okay. So can you please explain dynamics of logistic industry and how we are capitalizing opportunity?
मैडम इसको डिस्टर्बेंस आ रहा है, प्लीज क्या डिस्टर्बेंस आ रहा है, अगेन बताएंगे सर प्लीज.
Dynamics of logistic industry and how we are capitalizing the opportunity.
Yeah, there is lot of opportunities there because in each and every business, the logistics is the key part. So we are developing the business in different line. Like earlier I told you, in FMCG, and now we are shifting to the cement and steel. This is the total expenditure of the companies are increasing. So as and when they grow, our business is also grow accordingly.
Okay, so my last question is, as you know, the Odisha government has allotted us a 4-acre land parcel into the district Bhubaneswar. Please explain the business potential from this land award and how much revenue we can generate from this land parcel, and what was the amount paid for the land?
The amount we have paid around 2 crore 70 lakh rupees to the Odisha government for 4 acres, and that is their fixed amount from they are charging from all the industries, and this project will give us the revenue of around 7 crore per annum. So 50 lakh per month or 45 lakh per month, 6 crore per annum it will give, and this is called a warehousing and distribution center for the Odisha and even Jharkhand and Bengal also. So lot of incentive they are giving to the clients. Then clients are reaching there, and if they put the factory, they are getting some advantage on GST and some incentive they are getting from the Odisha government.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Pranita Jain from Financial Advisory. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
You mentioned your focus is more on railroad. So what is the revenue potential from railroad per month? Are operating margins much better in this segment?
Yeah, operating margin is much better. As of now, we are operating around, I think 10 crore per month in the railway business, and road business margin is around 12 to 14%, whereas railway business's margin is around 18 to 20%, 17 to 18%.
Okay. And have you added any new clients or existing clients for long-term contracts?
Sorry to interrupt you, ma'am. I request you to use the handset, please.
Hello?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
So I wanted to know, have you added any new clients or existing client for long-term contract, like for 3 to 5 years?
Yeah. We are now we are adding the electric vehicles and sustainable and environment-friendly vehicles. The asset cost is a little high compared to the diesel vehicle. So because of the huge investment, we are talking to the customer for 3 to 5 year contract only. These are vehicles we are adding on receipt of the long-term LOI only.
Okay. Thank you.
Recently, we have signed the Dalmia Cement for 3 years.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Vikas Verma, an individual investor. Please go ahead. Mr. Vikas, your line has been unmuted. Please go ahead with your question.
हेलो.
या गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
गुप्ता जी नमस्कार.
नमस्ते सर.
गुप्ता जी, मैं डेब्ट लेवल स्टेटस जानना चाह रहा था वर्तमान का, और अगले 2 साल में क्या स्थिति रहेगी, और अपन 5 साल बाद ऐसा ब्रांड एवीजी कहाँ देखते हैं?
ये कंपनी तो सर 20-25%, 30% से ग्रो कर रहे हैं हम लोग. तो 25-30% से ग्रो करते हैं. इसके हिसाब से तो टारगेट बड़ा बनाया हुआ है कि अच्छा फिगर निकल के आएगा कंपनी का.
मतलब
और
इंटरनल टारगेट है?
जी.
अच्छा. हाँ.
तो इसमें बोल नहीं सकते हैं बिकॉज इसमें कॉन्फ्रेंस में, लेकिन इंटरनल टारगेट काफी बड़ा बनाया हुआ है. बिकॉज क्या हो गया सर कि अभी इंडस्ट्रीज में क्या होगा कि जो लोग थोड़ा ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बिजनेस विल इंक्रीज नाउ, एंड जो अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड प्लेयर्स विच इज गिविंग द लॉट ऑफ कंपटीशन, वो बिजनेस अभी थोड़ा कम होगा. तो जैसे जैसे ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बिजनेस बढ़ेगा, हम लोगों का वॉल्यूम और बिजनेस दोनों बढ़ेगा, एंड ओवरऑल ग्रोथ अच्छा आएगा सर इसके अंदर.
और सर डेब्ट स्टेटस अभी का और अगले 2 साल के लिए कोई गाइडेंस?
डेट इसमें तो यार सर हम लोग जो कहा अभी इट इज रिड्यूसिंग ऑन ईयरली बेसिस. लाइक लास्ट ईयर में अगर मार्च 23 में मेरा शायद 115 करोड़ के आसपास था, और अभी मार्च 24 में दैट इज अराउंड 85 करोड़. एंड माय टारगेट ये है कि मार्च मतलब 27-28 तक वी शुड बी डेट फ्री. So we are working on that line. There are 2 types of loan. One is the vehicle loan, another is the CC. So that CC etc. we want to finish it. And vehicle loan तो क्या होता है कि सर बिजनेस में गाड़ी लेना पड़ता है. So that is for 5 years and it is self independent होता है. वो अपना EMI निकाल के देता है गाड़ी. तो मोटा मोटा ये है कि टर्म लोन रहेगा, बट सीसी एक्सेट्रा और लोन हम लोग टारगेट कर रहे हैं कि वी विल मेक डेट फ्री कंपनी बाय 27-28.
ठीक है ना सर.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Seema Pathak, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Congratulations on your set of numbers. Yeah, hello. Am I audible?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. My question is, what is your plan for the next set of capex? Hello?
Yeah.
So my question is regarding the capex. So what is your plan for the next 2-3 years capex?
CapEx, we are working on the 2 model, okay, because we have to provide sustainable and vehicle requirement to the customer. So we are working on a 2 model. Like one is the lease model. We are getting some leasing facility from some of the NBFCs and banks, which they are giving us for 5 to 7 years. and around 100 vehicles we will take on the lease, and 100 vehicles we will buy from the our own sources.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and my next question is about your working capital cycle. So
Yeah.
what is the exact estimation, and what is our improvement plan for that?
So as of now, we don't have any plan to increase the working capital limit. So we were managing through our own accrual, but a lot of business is coming up. The new business which we are taking over to increase the turnover or profitability. So maybe some 10-20 crore may be required after 6 months or so, according to business requirement. But as of now, there is no plan to increase any loan further.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much. That's it from my side.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Aditi Roy, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Thank you and congratulations. My question is, entering into new business verticals, packer and mover, what is the response and contribution to revenues in the reported quarter?
Yeah, ma'am, this quarter it is very less. I think small amount of 1 crore tied to 2 crore. But now this venture was opened in the October 23. So 6-7 months ही हुआ है. अभी इनिशियल 1-2 महीना सेटअप करने में लगता है. तो हम लोग इसमें काफी काम कर रहे हैं, and we hope to get the good business in coming time.
Okay, sir. And my next question is, EBITDA margin were approx 23% for FY24 and 33% for Q4 FY24, but has fallen to approx 19%. What has taken a toll on margin dip, and what is EBITDA margin guidance for FY25?
Himanshu ji, can you explain on that?
Sure, sir.
My CFO will
in
explain.
FY24?
Himanshu ji?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you explain the query?
Ma'am, can you please repeat? Your voice was very low. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. In FY24, EBITDA margin were approx 23%, and Q4 FY24, it was 33%, but has fallen to 19%. What has taken a toll on margin date, and what is EBITDA margin guidance for FY25?
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, in Q4 financial year 24, we had a one-off of there was a one-off which was we had investment with NDR AVG Business Park Limited, which we sold off. So there was a impact of that into the EBITDA margin. And if we see Q1, it is 19%. And if we compare to June 2023 quarter, which is a comparable quarter, it has improved from 18.5% to 19.1%. So there is an improvement, and if we look into financial year 25, we would be around 18-19% EBITDA margin overall basis.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll take this as the last question. I now hand the conference over to Mr. Jainam Savla from Kirin Advisors for closing comments.
Thank you everyone for joining the conference call of AVG Logistics Limited. If you have any queries, you can write us at research@Kirin Advisors. Once again, thank you all for joining the conference call of AVG Logistics Limited. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, management.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
On behalf of Kirin Advisors, that concludes this conference. Thank you for joining us, and you may now disconnect your lines. Thank you.